Alright, welcome back to a brand new project. Currently I'm working on something I call MyMiniCity. Basically it's a bunch of little squares that you can assemble and put together to build a city. I've been told this idea would be really good for things like train sets or people who enjoy model building. And I'm currently working on expanding the project for downtown style buildings. So I'm just starting on that. And I've basically been spending most of my time working on getting the roads and just some basic terrain and buildings. But so far, it's coming out pretty good. I will be listing all of the models up on the Creality Cloud, and I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not releasing everything at once, but I will be releasing both packs and individual buildings. The individual buildings will be a little bit more expensive than if you just purchase the pack. But of course, everything's subject to change over time. For now, if you guys have any ideas, suggestions, or would like to start building your own, like, subscribe, comment, all that kind of good stuff. And we'll continue on with this video. So far, I have printed off one of the single-story houses. Came out beautifully, in my opinion. We had some issues with these front pylons being too thin, so I went ahead and remodeled that and re-uploaded it. And I haven't made any driveways yet, but I have made a whole bunch of road tiles. I'm working on more buildings and different building types that I'm going to print out. And we're going to just, set up a little city here for you guys and see what you think. Alright, so as of for now, that's all I really have for you guys. I appreciate you for tuning in and watching. I hope you can continue tuning in, and we'll get us a cool little city built. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.